In our last module, we learned how to navigate our way through a list of results from our searching and to pull up the article and use the subject terms and the abstract to evaluate the article, and how to email ourselves the PDF of the full text. But what do you do if you find a great article and there's no full text available? Let's scroll down here to number 8. Television violence and intervention to reduce its impact on children. I don't see the full text listed there, but when I click on the title of the article to get more information, based on the subject terms, children violence, and along with the abstracts where it mentions television violence more than once, this looks like it can be the perfect article for my paper. But again, I don't see that full text attached, so I don't see any way that I can print off the article or email it to myself because I don't see it there on the page. What you can do when this happens is to look for something, for example, as we have on the left-hand part of the screen here, search for article, or in other databases it may say find a copy. If you'll remember, in an earlier module I told you that the UA libraries literally had hundreds of databases. So chances are, if the article that you really want is not available in the database that you're searching in, you may be able to find it in another database, and the computer will look for you. So all I have to do if I want to find this article is, again, I look for the text that says search for article, and I click on that text. And the computer is looking for me, and we have a separate window open up, which I'm just going to maximize here. And we see that the article is available in another database, Science Direct Journals. So what I can do is I can click on the highlighted word article, and the computer will go ahead and pull up the information about the article in Science Direct. Now notice how Science Direct looks very different from Academic Search Premier, although we do have the search boxes here. But what I really need in this case is I just need a PDF of the article, which I see here, and I can pull up on my computer screen, and I see the email the article button. So that is a way that you can use those search for article tools that you can find in many of our databases. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of this tab here to close this article down, and that's how you can use the search for article to improve the research on your paper. It can be a real lifesaver if you have found the $1 million article that you think is going to give your paper an A and you don't see it there on the computer screen.